We are finally on our way to Italy. Hey y'all, so we just landed in Zurich for our layover. This ear right here, I can't even hear out of it. Like, I've been going through it for this trip. I'm not gonna lie. Like, the hair ain't even done. That's how bad I feel. The allergies is so crazy. This ear just feels so blocked. It was just popping. Have y'all ever just felt it on a plane just hurt so bad to where you wanted to tell the pilot, land this plane right now? That's how I feel. But this the fit of the day. Little linen suit, two-piece set, and I just added this white tank. But now we're just trying to find our way around, see what we about to do. So I'm gonna call y'all back in a few because your girl is going through it, fighting for my life, if I say so myself. We are finally on our way to Italy. Woohoo! He ain't doing it. He ain't as excited as me, I guess. So y'all, it's night one in Milan. I have not got any content. We're on our way to go eat somewhere because some of the Straight Shine friends is down here. So I didn't even have time to get cute. But this is what I have on. Claritin kind of worked a little bit though. As y'all can tell, I'm still a little sick. Well, the allergy's still going. But I'm feeling way better than what I was this morning, for sure. Good morning, y'all. So it is the first day we're actually in Milan. We in Milan, girl. And I'm about to get ready, as y'all can tell. Yeah, as y'all can tell, headlights on. And what I'm not really gonna probably put on no makeup. If I do put on any makeup, you know it's gonna be that bronzer like I did in the last vlog. And it's 9:30 right now. We really slept in. And y'all know, I'm really mad that we slept in, but we've been tired. But y'all know they said we can't be having coffee or espresso after 12 without looking crazy. We could go to a coffee shop first, for sure. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda. So we're gonna go to the coffee shop first. Then I wanna go to that big building. I don't know if it's called the Duomo or I know another one is the mall. Then I want to go to the QC spa. I know my voice sounds so annoying just because I'm congested.
Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me.
Bear with me, friends. Bear with me, sisters. But yeah, so I want to go to that QC spa. But they close a little late. But if you want a massage, you have to hurry to get a massage, I believe, before 6, I feel like. Oh, yeah, and if you come to Europe, when they give you water on the plane, save it. Because water costs everywhere. Still water, $5. For real. And yeah, we gotta hurry up because it's 9:32. Other than that, though, the night was good. We had some good conversations. The restaurant was really nice. So yeah, I don't even know what the name of the restaurant was, but if I find the video on my phone, because I didn't take my DJI. If I find that, I'm gonna put it in here. But girl, let me stop rambling. It's 9:35. I'm gonna see y'all in a few. Gonna catch our first Uber of the day. My hair is already messed up, but you know what? We just here for the vibes. We in a black Tesla. Black Tesla. I just wanna make you feel, make you feel, make you feel. Big box like $1,000 bill or $100 bill. only way I know how to say thank you here is because of that book, The Housemaid. Enzo was like, huh? Oh, I don't even know what that is. Y'all, look at this. I don't even know what that means. That who? But no, in the book of Housemaid, Enzo was like, grazie, grazie. So that's how I know how to say thank you. Oh my gosh. Rich, because I'm seeing this with my own eyes, and she looks gorgeous. Y'all, look at him. He move a lot when we taking pictures. Cannot believe I'm seeing this with my own. I cannot believe I'm seeing this with my own eyes, y'all. Like, this is crazy. Y'all, why these freaking pigeons chirped at my toes? They just pecked at my toes. That was so crazy to me. This is crazy. But it's so hot, y'all. It's hotter than Texas. I don't care what nobody say. It's hotter down here than it is in Texas. Because I want to eat at the restaurant that's right next to the view. That way I can take a picture, like how I have on my pictures board. Wow.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly.
No, this gets too loud. It does. So the Aperol Spritz is a good drink, but you have to, it's like an acquired taste. Like, it's more citrusy. To me, it gets kind of like cherry a little bit, even though I'm not a big fan of cherry, but it's more so like orange. It's not something I would get all the time though. But just wanted to let y'all know how the Aperol Spritz tastes, because before I came, I kept seeing a lot of TikTok saying that was trash. It's okay. It's okay. But the restaurant that we just went to, service was not all that. So far, these are my items that I have. These two dresses I gotta try on. And I was gonna get that bag when I was out there. Bro, I almost fell on this damn escalator. I'm mad they don't got no XL over here. I have not seen not one XL. So now, hopefully, the large can fit, because y'all know the girls. Hopefully some of my sisters is the big titty girls, so y'all can feel me. Oh, this nice. Y'all know they ain't got my size. Let's see. This looks like just pants. mango spritz because people were saying that's what you should get if you didn't like the Aperol spritz. So I'm about to try it for the first time with y'all and let y'all know how it is. I was about to syrup at the bottom though. Let me stir it up. But so far it's good. Hey sisters, it's hours later. So this is what I'm wearing tonight. We're going to this restaurant that we really just went to last night, but since it wasn't just us, it was like, okay, well, let's just go. And we didn't eat, so it was like, okay, let's just go ahead and go. And yeah, whatever.
Sisters, we didn't eat because we got here late.
Yeah.
On a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had it, that's on take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had it, that's on take you there, take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the sun.